name is April. Congratulations on your recent purchase of your Infinity Iyashi massage chair. Today I will be going over with you the features, functions, and setup of your chair. You will notice over here, we have the 3 boxes your chair will arrive in. The largest box, housing the main portion of your chair, this box, the footrest, and this, the armrest. Once you've removed the chair from the box, you will notice the main portion of the chair is in a reclined position. This is to assist with assembly of the chair. First, we will attach the shoulder airbag speaker. First, by connecting the Molex connector. Then sliding the piece on. Making sure the top and bottom airbag hoses are secure. Once you have the shoulder airbag speaker slid onto the chair, we will now be securing this by the 3 bolts being placed here, here, and here. The one with the washer being placed here. Now that the shoulder airbag speaker is attached to the chair, we will now be attaching the armrest. You will do this by first attaching the 2 Molex connectors and the airbag hose here, and then sliding the arm on. Now that the armrest is attached to the chair, we will secure this by screwing the bolt into the side of the chair and attaching the cover. To complete the assembly of your chair, we will now be attaching the footrest to the chair. To do this, you will want the chair in its full upright position. For this, you will click the power switch on the side of the chair to the on position, and then on the remote, hitting the on-off button twice. The next step for assembly is to place the footrest hinge into the chair clamp. We will then be screwing in the bolt to secure this to the chair.